The first dish that we're making is commonly referred to as plov in Russian. There are over 60 different plov recipes around the world, and the first references to a dish of rice and meat date back to the 10th and 11th centuries. It is often said that plov was served as the main dish at weddings and important holidays, and since then, plov was valued not only as a delicious holiday fare, but also for its healing properties. For this recipe, we used 1.5 pounds of beef chuck, 1/3 cup canola oil, 2 medium onions, 3 medium carrots, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin, 3 to 4 bay leaves, 1 3/4 cups hot water for braising meat, 3 cups long grain rice, 4 cups hot water when cooking the rice, 1 head of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of ground coriander. The next dish that we're making is commonly referred to as Borsch in Russia, and it's a beet soup of the Slavic countries. Although Borsch is important in Russian and Polish cuisines, Ukraine is frequently cited as its place of origin. Ukrainian Borsch is a hearty soup of beef and a variety of vegetables in which root vegetables and cabbage predominate. The soup takes its characteristic deep red color from beets. The soup is often eaten with a sour cream garnish and black bread. The full recipe for this soup will be in the description below. The next dish that we're cooking is called pelmeni, and pelmeni might not look like much to the untrained eye, but it forms the heart of Russian cuisine and culture. Basically, it's a type of dumpling consisting of a particular filling that is wrapped in thin, uneven dough. It is usually accompanied by lashings of sour cream, and the fillings can differ, but essentially they are minced meat. The most common minced meats used are pork, beef, and sometimes lamb. The dish was particularly favored by hunters who were looking for light, easy to prepare, nourishing food to take with them on long trips in the winter. The final dish we are making for dessert is Napoleon cake. Napoleon cake for some reason became Russia's favorite pastry. The cake, initially named mille feuilles, which means 1,000 layers in French, was brought to Russia in the early 19th century and was widely cooked during the festivities after the victory against the French army of Napoleon Bonaparte. The Russians loved the cake so much that after 2 centuries, many of them consider it to be part of their national culinary heritage. The Napoleon cake is also known for its simplicity, containing only milk, butter, sugar, and eggs. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. It was really fun to cook all these things and bring the tradition back home. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications, as well as comment and like the video for more content.